Morning is the best time to practice English. What a charming weather. The sky is very clear, so you can take it as a positive way and try to get up early in the morning. If you don't miss this opportunity, you have a plan to get up early and start practice very early. It will not only reduces your stress but also uh, grow your confidence. So everyone try to do it to start practice in the morning, and you can see your improvement within very short time. After 1 month you can see you improve a lot because you use morning properly and get benefited from here. So everyone will try your best to do something in the morning because it is suitable time than others time of the day. So everyone will use it properly and get benefited from here. No more today. Allah Hafiz.